The hash map, also known as a dictionary or associative array, is a way to structure data by mapping keys to values. These are implemented in such a way that any interaction is blazingly fast. Instead of looping through an entire array, hash maps know exactly where to look and thus run in constant time. These are used everywhere by language interpreters looking up variable names and by any document-based database such as Mongo. So, how is all of this magic achieved? Start with a regular array of any length. Once initialized, you can't change it without recreating the entire map. Since array accesses are nearly instant in any size array, we just need to map keys to array indexes. This is done using a hash function, thus the name. In essence, a hash is a function which takes an input and produces a seemingly random output. I say seemingly because the same input twice will yield the same output twice. This means that any key can be associated to a pseudo-random number. Taking that number modulo the length of the array gives an index at which we can place our value. Every time you want to add a new value, hash the key and place it where it points to. Getting the value associated to a key works in the exact same way. This leaves us with one problem: hash collisions. No matter how well your hash distributes values, you will get collisions. To remedy this, each index in our main array will actually contain an empty array. Each value which associates to that index get added as a key value tuple. When fetching a value, you simply open the right array and loop until you find what you needed. This lets you get something specific within millions of values in a fraction of the speed it would take to search linearly. That was a bite of hash maps. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.